Hello children, welcome to our world through English. So today we are going to conclude the tenses topic for you. So we have left only one tense. In your previous class we completed simple future, future continuous and future perfect also we completed in the previous classes. So today we have only one left, that is future perfect continuous, right? So after this I will give you explanation for all the tenses as in one table, okay? Future perfect continuous. Future perfect continuous. Okay, future perfect continuous tense. So children, you understood perfect tense means always the completed actions. The completed actions. And now what about this future perfect continuous? Future perfect continuous. So continuous tense means we know that ongoing actions. So future continuous means ongoing actions in the future. Finish. So let me write the structure on the board, then later you can understand. Okay? Subject will have an additional word been and be for finished. Will have been for finished. Okay? Now when we use this future perfect continuous tense, when we will have this future perfect continuous tense, ongoing actions in the future. Ongoing actions in the future. Ongoing actions in the future. This will be this. Ongoing actions in the future. Let me say this. Timeline. Right? You are waiting for this only. So past, present, and will be the future. Ongoing actions in the future. So this here it started and it was going on. That is called future perfect continuous tense. Future perfect continuous. So it will start in the future and it goes on. Ongoing action in the future. Let me write you one example. By November, the same example what I given for you for present future perfect. I am writing same. By November, I will have been saving 10,000 rupees. So by November something I will save money for 10,000 rupees. So I will have been saving 10,000 rupees. Means if it start, it will goes in the future. That is called future perfect continuous tense. Means it will use future perfect continuous tense for ongoing actions in the future. Ongoing actions in the future. The same example I will write again. I will, for example, he will have been arriving in Medak at 10 a.m. Okay, that is by 10 a.m. he will have been arriving at Medak. Okay, that is have been arriving to Medak by 10 a.m. Okay, this will be the end. Future perfect continuous tense. Children, this will be the end. Let me write the table. Then after this, I will give you two tables, tenses and with the positive, negative and question, and next tenses with the help of auxiliary verbs. Okay, that will be useful now for you. That's right. Okay, table. Positive, negative, question. So structure, subject all same, no? I, we, you, they, he, she, it. Will have been learning. So, okay, children, 3 words for you. 3 words. After this, I will write the 3 words. Maybe the place is not sufficient. Use not. I, we, you, they, he, she, it. Will not have been learning. Next. Will, I, we, you, they, he, she, it. Will have been learning. Okay, this will be the end, children. Positive, negative and question mark. Next we will have a big table, a very big table for you, a very big table. So how you will write, for example, don't write like this, turn book and make a table like this here and draw the table itself. Okay, that I'm going to give the table for you. Copy this table, positive, negative and question, as you know. Now a big table I'm going to draw for you. So that will be very easy, but for drawing it will take a lot of time. So make it clear. Simple present. So all tenses line by line I will write you. So you have to write clearly. So I didn't have space exactly. So I am compressing and writing. Shortcut I am writing, children. So you write clearly. So present perfect continuous tense. Okay. Past continuous. Past perfect continuous. Future continuous. So future perfect continuous. Let me try, children, whether it will be sufficient or not. Let me try. I'm trying to draw the line straight. This table gives you all the tenses in one page. So that will be very, very easy for you. We have one more table. There I will give another model for you to understand all the tenses clearly. Okay, children. This is tense. Here. Okay, tense. One side tense, other side you can write here. Okay. First one is positive. Next, negative. Question. So here I am going to use only one verb for all, so that will be easy for you. So here I will just use one subject here. In the next table, children, I will use all the verbs, all the subjects in one form to make you to understand. Okay. Now, so simple present tense, positive. He learns grammar. He learns grammar. Next one, same, use negative. He doesn't learn grammar. Next, question form. Does he learn grammar? Question mark. Present continuous. I am using plural form. They. Continuous auxiliary verb is, am, are. So actually I used to write here is, am, are, but in the next table I will give you. So they are learning grammar. They are learning grammar. So I am going to conclude this one here up to here. Question form. They are negative. They are not learning grammar. They are not learning grammar. So use question. Auxiliary verb will come first. Are. Are they learning grammar. Children, I am using different subjects here, not the same subjects. So don't be worried. In the next table, I will give all the subjects in one table. I will give the next table, all subjects I will use. Here we don't have space, so I will use only different subjects. Here I use, here they I use. So next I will use different one. So present perfect tense. So when we use present, the action has been started and finished in the present. See here, I structure present perfect, subject plus have or has plus V3, always V3, always V3, right? So perfect tense. I have learned grammar. Not, I haven't learned grammar. So next one, auxiliary verb first. Have I learned grammar? Question mark. Okay. Next one, present perfect continuous. Present perfect continuous tense of subject plus has or have been plus V4. Okay, have or has plus been plus V4. So let me write the I, he, plural. We have been learning. We have been learning grammar. So next, we have not been learning grammar. Next, question form. Auxiliary verb will come first. What is the auxiliary verb here? Have. Subject, have we been learning grammar? Learning grammar. It's finished. Next, simple past tense. Subject plus V2. So learned V2. Okay. She, I will use she here. She learned grammar. So what is the question? What is the not or question form for this simple past? Do or does for present tense. Did for past tense. So use not here. She didn't. She didn't. Yeah, learn. We will write mistake here. Learned is not correct. Learn is the correct. So she didn't learn grammar. So next question form, did she learn grammar? Did she learn grammar? That will be there. Next one. Time 53. Okay. Next, past continuous. Continuous is always V4. We know that auxiliary verb was or were. So I'm using another verb form. It was learning grammar. Next, it wasn't learning. It was not learning grammar. My eyes are getting dizzy by looking this all lines. So next question mark. Use auxiliary verb first. Was it learning grammar? Next one, past perfect V3. Start the subject plus had V3 plus object. So when we use past perfect, completed action in the first completed action in the past. Right? I, we, he, she. He, they, I. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One more one. You. You. Subject. Had. V3. You had learnt grammar. You had learnt grammar. 3, 6, 7. Okay. Next. Use not. You hadn't or had not learnt grammar. Next one. Had you learnt grammar? Question mark. Next, past perfect continuous tense. Subject plus had been plus V4. Okay. I had been plus V4 learning grammar. Next one, I had not learning. I had not been learning. Sorry, that here. I had not been learning grammar. I had not been learning grammar. So next question from had I been learning grammar? Finished. Simple future. Will, subject will plus V1. So subject I, we will learn grammar. Next, we will not learn grammar. Next, will we learn grammar? Next one, future continuous V4 will be I, we, you completed just before, no? Next, he will be learning grammar. Next, he will not be learning grammar. Next, will he be learning? Will he be learning grammar? Will he be learning grammar? That is future continuous tense. Next, future perfect, subject plus will have plus V3. So I, we, you, she, they will have learnt grammar. They will have learnt grammar. Next one, use not. They, na? Okay, they will not have learnt grammar. Stop. Next one, auxiliary verb is will, right? Will they have learnt grammar? Right. Last one, future perfect continuous. Children, subject plus will have been. So I'm writing I, we, you will have been. You will have been learning, V for learning grammar. Next one, you will not have been learning grammar. Next one, sub auxiliary verb will you have been learning grammar? Question mark. Okay, children, maybe I think so it is completed. So this is all tenses, positive, negative and question forms in one page. Then when you look at this table, you will learn all the tenses structures. See here, simple present, he learns grammar. He doesn't learn grammar. Negative, he doesn't learn grammar. Does he learn grammar? So present continuous, they are learning grammar. Subject, auxiliary before ing. They are not learning grammar. And are they learning grammar? Next one, present perfect tense. I have learnt grammar. I haven't learnt grammar. Subject plus I have or has. I haven't learned V3. I haven't learned grammar. Have I learnt grammar? Next, present perfect continuous. Subject plus have, has plus been plus V4 plus ing. We have been learning grammar. We have not been learning grammar. Have we been learning grammar? Next one, simple past tense. Simple past tense, subject plus V2. She learnt grammar. She didn't learn because already did is V2. So she learned grammar. Did she learn grammar? Next, past continuous. I was learning grammar. I was not learning grammar. Was it learning grammar? Past perfect. Subject plus had plus V3. You had learnt grammar. You hadn't learnt grammar. Had you learnt grammar? Next, past perfect continuous. I had been learning grammar. Next one, I had not been learning. Had I been learning? So I will have been. So everything was on the table. So you look at that clearly. So all the tenses, positive and negative and question form. So when you look at this, you will learn all the tenses at once and you can cover all the tenses structures and its rule. So tomorrow we'll have one more continuation of the tenses where which subject will have which verb along with the structures. We will have one more table and we will come to that. Okay, I hope you enjoyed, you understood. We have completed tenses. Practice, I said, where we have to use the verb. So then it will be very easy for you to understand all the tenses. Then you can use a perfect tense on basing of the time. Okay, practice, then it will be very easy for you. Okay, I hope you understood. Meet you in the next class, children. Until then, stay home, stay safe, and bye bye.